Hello, and welcome to Devlog 3 of my potion brewing game that I don't really know a name for now. So currently what I've done is I've added some seeds that I'm going to apply a modifier, well not modifier, what am I saying, modifier, but I'm going to add the function to be able to plant them, and then I hope in today's time span I'll be able to make it grow. Maybe not water, I'm not going to focus on watering, but I will make it grow, and then next week I can add watering. I spent most of my time working on the visuals since it is just default Unity right now, like everyone's been saying, and I've been trying to make it better by experimenting with some shaders like HLSL, not the node based. I don't like using the nodes for any kind of projects. And then I think what I'm gonna actually do is do a low poly, no textures. Look, because I'm not able to make any textures, I think I can make low poly stuff. So I'm just, oh, and one more thing, I did make this, the dropping, or not dropping, the placing of the soil much better. So if I can show you here, I have a general item functions script, and what I can do is I call the function inside that on the soil bag script, so I can call it multiple places instead of only on the soil bag. So what I'm gonna do is use that on the seeds, and then I'm gonna tweak some stuff to make it place on the soil at the correct positioning, and it should be good. So yeah, that's going to be what I'm going to be working on for the rest of the day. Since again, I have to edit it tomorrow and then post it on Sunday. Okay, you might have noticed that the time is quite late now. I fixed like a lot of bugs that were going around. Like, I got tricked. I'm going to show you. But I got tricked by, where is it? Place items. I got tricked by this little thing. So what was going on, I had it like get mouse button down, or get mouse button like the raw file. And what was happening is that it was registering 2 hits. To do that, I had remove item in there. I don't know how well I can explain it. We go to player, inventory. Now, this was getting called. So it was going through, it was doing the correct thing, but then it was getting called again. Okay? That took me like an hour, maybe an hour and a half to find out that it was actually getting called twice and then destroying the object. It was so annoying. But I finally got that fixed. And then I also implemented the place plant feature that I can show you in a bit. What I'm going to do is keep all these separate whole different functions, then I'm gonna merge them into one big place function with a bunch of predefining arguments at the top. But now I can show you what I've done. So it's still the same. I fixed some more bugs that I didn't want to show or talk about, but I could place. Then I have some seeds. Then you could place. And I also did it where you can't place 2 seeds on one soil, so you can continue planting. And then next, I can work on the growing seed script. And I also have it where if I go to the reboot seeds, it actually has 2 data. So I have the plant data, which is that. And then I'll also have the actual seeds data, which I can generate an ID for. Which doesn't really matter, because this gets spread around. This is what helps with the stacking and stuff, so you don't have them trying to stack on another item. But here, I have the actual seeds model, or seeds game object, prefab. Then I have grow time, so 30 seconds. Water greed, which is how much, actually, every time, okay, let me explain. Okay, I don't know why I'm so bad at explaining stuff, but this is going to take 1 water away every 3 seconds. This is gonna grow 1 weed every 5 seconds. I can tweak these values, but root is supposed to be an early game crop, so I can definitely adjust these seed values later, seed data. And I don't know how I'm gonna do the weeds. I'm just gonna comment it out and pretend it doesn't exist, so I don't have to implement it. So hopefully, growing between stages isn't gonna reach death, because I did promise that today. Hello, we are back yet again, because I have finished working on the plant growth. It is actually really cool now. Don't look in that direction, that's spoilers. But currently I have the growth time set to 5. That is a changeable factor, variable. So normally I would have it set at 30. But if we watch for 5 seconds, it starts growing. Completely switches out everything, and then we can work on harvesting, since this is a... Oh! I can fix that. I know how to fix that. That'll be, after this video is over. But what this error is meaning is that we tried to, get the next element. So it was starting at 0, that's the seed. So this is the one that I plant. Then it goes to 1, stage 1, which is this one, stage 1. Then stage 2. And then it tried to go to a stage 3. But there was no 3. So I can just check if there's another stage, if it's ready or not. But this is pretty much done. I can work some more. Did basic little 3D modeling from my art. Not really 3D modeling, more like block modeling, since it is just cubes and spheres. Still, it's just a placeholder for now, so it doesn't really matter. As long as it kinda gets the point across at what it is. But everything else works. The stacking for the seeds work, the soil placement. I haven't bugged that out again since I saw you last, or we talked last. I'm new to this YouTube thing. But that'll be it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Next Sunday, hopefully. Sunday, Monday, yeah. And leave a like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!